So itong point of view ko from the outside, I'm not exactly a Laker fan, but I'm telling you, I think this makes sense. So nabasa ko, and let me just show you this one. Ito yung nakita ko kasi sa Facebook. I didn't know it was true, if it was true, pero LeBron James agent Rich Paul made a shocking trade offer. Sabi niya, ito daw si Austin Reeves ay ipalit kay Jackson ng Memphis Grizzlies. And I was thinking about it. I think I agree. And let me tell you why. Kasi kahapon, kung hindi mo pa napanood, gumawa ako ng reactions about the 5 potential trades of of the Lakers, pero hindi kasama si Austin Reeves kasi alam ko karamihan ng mga Lakers gusto si Austin Reeves kasi number 3 option siya o baka number 2 pa pag gunawala si LeBron James. So he's very critical and talagang maganda nilalaro ni Austin Reeves generally, although hindi siya nakapaglaro recently sa Los Angeles Lakers. So I felt that ayaw talaga, hindi talaga ito-trade to, pero if the Lakers wanted to accomplish things, I think ito yung dapat na trade. And explain ko lang sa inyo.
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
Nakalimutan ko meron ako question. Tamad na daw si LeBron. Explain ko kung bakit ko tinanong yan. Kasi may nakita akong Facebook video ni LeBron James na isang fan ng Laker na bakit daw ganun si LeBron. So, pero mamaya na yan. Anyway, Jaren Jackson, Austin Reeves, the biggest problem right now of the Lakers is the defense and rebound. And from what I see, nakakita ko ng meme. Nakita niyo yung meme na si LeBron James nakatitig kay DeAndre Ayton. DeAndre Ayton, certainly, of course, he is a good center, but not exactly the type of center or the expectation I don't think is being met consistently by DeAndre Ayton. So, sabi nga ni iba, bilang na daw masasayang araw ni Ayton sa Los Angeles Lakers. But I don't think we should trade or the Lakers should trade DeAndre Ayton. Maybe gamitin pa rin siya for backup kasi kahit paano talagang ang kasi ganito I think mas rare yung mga skills na mga centers, yung mga defensive kaysa sa mga shooters or mga offensive players. Kasi yung mga players, and correct me if I'm wrong, practice talaga ng shooting talaga. Pero yung mga defensive instinct at saka yung mga rebounding, yung mga hustles, talagang hirap ituro niyan either nasa iyo yan o wala. So, so DeAndre Ayton needs to improve on that. So, sa aking palagay. So, nonetheless, Jaren Jackson. Uy, sandali. Jaren Jackson versus Austin Reeves. I think it's a good trade-off. Luka Doncic can really carry the load sa offense, and then meron naman silang mga iba pang players dyan to offensively focus on Lakers if I'm right, no? Sa aking pananaw. So, and si Jaren Jackson can give you two things, offense and defense and rebounding. Austin Reeves can give you such, but not the same way as Jaren Jackson. So, ako without hesitation, I would trade the two. Tama yung suggestion ni Rich Paul. And just imagine Jaren Jackson Jr. Maybe pwedeng gawing gawing power forward, center si Ayton, or pwede rin itong gawing sentro, 'di ba? Nakakapag-stretch siya or nakapag-adjust sa positioning. And then LeBron James and then Luka Doncic. So, malakas. Sa tingin ko, pwede. Although, sa totoo lang, if this one could make them compete in the playoffs. But the West is so stacked that you need a lot of things to move in order for you to really compete in the West, unfortunately. And that's just the truth. But ako, I will trade for Jaren Jackson for Austin Reeves. Kayo, ano sa tingin nyo? Does it make sense? Let me see you, Jaren. Oy, nako po. I just type in Jaren Jackson trade, pati pala Celtics nakikihabol. And I think the Celtics needs the same thing. Although, the Celtics kinda in the same situation with the Lakers where they have Celtics doesn't have Tatum. Jaylen Brown, and wala kasing medyo elite na big man. Keita is doing great pero kulang pa rin. So, I think itong Jaren Jackson trade would be great. Unfortunately, sino yung ano? Si Celtics have the opportunity to trade with change din. Sino naman ang ite-trade? Sino yung ite-trade ng Boston? Um, who? Come on. Let me just see. Tinanggal nyo kasi si Cornet. Although si Cornet is kind of the same as the Keita. Sino? Ibaka Subak for Boston. Sino kaya ite-trade nila? Baka, ano, walang sinadjust. Walang sinadjust kung sino eh. Double check ko dito sa isang kung sino yung rumored to be trade. Kasi hindi naman to basta-basta papayag yung Memphis Grizzlies. Memphis Grizzlies, rebuilding mode agad ang Memphis Grizzlies ah. Of course, Ja Morant is rumored to be traded and pag nakahanap na magandang offer, teka, wala namang nilagay. Is their starting center and Peyton Pritchard as their six-man. Top six. Oh, Anthony Simmons. Lugi yung ano. Doesn't make sense. Lugi yung unless may mga draft pick. Bakit naman papakawalan yan ng ng Memphis Grizzlies, 'di ba? One more thing. Bad news talaga. Talagang tama lang. Yung Dallas Mavericks, I do not know if they can trade Anthony Davis now. Mavericks versus Anthony Davis nightmare just came through. 6 weeks. Anthony Davis debunks report left. Okay, the best trade fit. 6 weeks, oh. Ito, bagong-bago to, oh. Yahoo Sports. Reevaluated in 6 weeks. Okay. Mahirapan ni trade dito si Anthony Davis. Ang kukuha lang kay Anthony Davis is top team na sa tingin ko is pag ililist siya for the playoffs. Kasi magaling naman si Anthony Davis. Fragile lang. So, if parang Kristaps Porzingis, if they can put Anthony Davis to a freezer and then let him play when it matters the most, then it will be a great use. And after all, it's that's what's important in championship eh. So, who is the top? Speaking of top, let's go ahead and check that top standing. Ginagawa ko po itong recording na ito January 14. So, Piston, Knicks, Celtics, Raptors, Sixers, top 5 pa po. And then sa West, Thunder, Spurs, Nuggets, Timberwolves, Lakers. And I believe those are the teams that yung mga competing sa championship, yun ang pwede kumuha kay Anthony Davis for least. Unfortunately, you know what? It doesn't make sense as well kasi parang expiring ba contract ni Anthony Davis? So, yun ang problema dyan. So, anyway guys, mamaya try ko magbigay ng feedback sa mga larong mangyayari mamaya. Warriors, Blazers, Lakers, Hawks. So, yun guys, let me know and please pa-subscribe po and hit that notification bell if gusto mo na mga ganitong content, more conversation, parang podcast style. I don't do a lot of graphics and edit. It's more of conversation style for me, sir. And pasensya na yung mga Lakers fans. Sometimes I try to really stir things up, but it is all part of the game. But if you're liking my content and if you're interested in learning more about my style and how I do things, please do so. I do basketball, boxing, and MMA. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Don't forget to comment what do you think about the Jaren Jackson trade offer by Rich Paul pa kay Austin Reeves. I don't, ano kaya nararamdaman ni Austin Reeves pag siya pinag-uusapan? Yung mga players na pinag-uusapan mo trade.